it's Melissa. I am here with my Aldi Find sneak peek for the week of May 28th through June 3rd. As you know, Aldi's made some changes to the way that we see stuff online now in advance, so each week I just try to compile everything, put it all together, make it a little bit easier for us to take a look at. We have some great stuff this week, a lot more summer fun, outdoor activities. Let's get started with the 2-pack on the sweat shorts. There's the different color combos. We have these ladies knit slip-on trainer sneakers. We've got the ladies footbed sandals, and then the men have the black available for them to pick. We have all the other colors. We have the ladies pickleball tops. We've got the ladies premium dress. I think this is the one that's the shorts and the dress, I believe. We've got the bike shorts, 3 different colors to pick from. We've got all these different socks, so these are both men's and ladies. We've got some sun visors and some baseball hats. Those are super cute, all for pickleball. I feel like I need to start playing. We've got some coated gloves. We've got some children's sandals, 4 different styles and patterns to pick from. We've got some accessories for the ladies. Super cute earrings and bracelets. We have these little hoppers. These are always so adorable. We've got some all-season doormats. These 5x7 outdoor area rugs. They are super pretty. We've got some essential oil sprays. There's the different scents. This flexible tripod fan. How cool is that? We have some cute little fairy houses. These are so cute. We had some fairy stuff, what was it, 2 weeks ago? We got the solar stakes in either black or bronze. We've got this really nice solar address stake. The garden steaks, steak. I keep saying it as if it's the food. We've got the Thirst Crusher tumblers, the 40-ounce ones. Those are super cute patterns. This 3-tier wooden plant shelves, I love those. We've got this really nice wall art in the metal. So you can use those indoor, outdoor, I'm assuming. We've got these mini raised planters. These are super cute. That would make a great herb bed. We've got the folding chairs in the black or that creamy beige. We have some sun shades. I love these. So 2 different styles to pick from, 2 different colors. We have that really pretty tall planter. We're going to have some knockout roses. We've got some razors. The Herbal Essence shampoos. There's the different scents, both shampoo and conditioner. We've got these sugar scrubs. Some compact folding director chairs. They are such pretty colors. We've got the pool floats. These are super cute. We have the jumper crabs. What are these? Are these the floaties? We've got these pool noodles. These are also adorable. The seat cushions, 4 different colors to pick from. 2-pack on those. We have some swim goggles, all super cute colors. We've got this massage device in 2 different colors. The multi-purpose cart. These are always so good to have. Some snorkeling masks in the pretty colors. We've got the pool saddle seat. The double lounger. That looks really nice. We have the stadium seats. These are the best. If you've not used these when you go somewhere with stadium seats, you need to. We have the floating phone case, so waterproof phone case. We've got these waterproof beach cases. These are awesome. We've got some rectangular pools, 2 different colors to pick from. We've got some pickleball paddle sets. We had some this week too. Pickleball is so popular. We have these cup holders, some phone holders. These are really cute pouch sets. That one on the end says polka dot, but it's showing the stripes, so I'm assuming it's going to be polka dots. We have some of these Haul It totes. These are the copycat of that other expensive brand. They are awesome. The beverage bucket cooler. These are also awesome. These are beautiful, these crossbody bags. Super pretty. We've got, okay, we're going to have the keto bagels. The croissant buns are amazing. That breakfast bread, amazing. The Deli Caesar chicken salad. I love their chicken salad, so I got to try that. They're going to have the gluten-free donuts in the freezer section. Those are really good. We're going to have our cones as well as those Trolley gummy pops. And that's the highlights on the food. Let me know what you're most excited for. Give me all the likes, love, comments, whatever you can. I completely appreciate it. It helps more people see this. Don't forget, I will be in store on Wednesday, May 28th with the in-store video of all these items. Have a great week, everyone. Thanks so much.